welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexian, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these really good brownie cookies that have a crinkly top and a fudgy inside, and they're going to totally ruin your New Year's resolution. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place your rack in the middle. Then you're going to prepare 2 baking trays with silicone mats or parchment paper. I just use silicone because it's reusable. Now you're going to measure out 4 ounces of chocolate. You can use any type of chocolate you want. I just use chocolate chips because I was too lazy to cut chocolate. And if you don't have a kitchen scale, 4 ounces of chocolate is a little less than 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. Now we're going to microwave this, but you could also melt it over a double boiler. After microwaving the chocolate for 20 seconds, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then we're going to microwave it for another 20 seconds. Continue to melt the chocolate and butter in the microwave until everything is fully melted and stir in between. Once everything is done, which should take about a minute, just stir the chocolate and butter until it's smooth and then set it off to the side to cool. Place a sieve over a small bowl and add 1 cup of flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Once everything has been added to the bowl, sift all the dry ingredients until everything is sifted, I guess. I started off using my hand, but then that got kind of messy, so I just took a spoon and moved everything around. Set all the dry ingredients off to the side. Into the bowl of a stand mixer or just any large bowl if you're using a hand mixer or doing this by hand, add in 2 eggs. To that bowl, you're also going to add in 1 cup of sugar, but when you're measuring dry ingredients, and I forgot to record this for the other ones, but you're supposed to scoop and level, which means you just scoop the dry ingredients into the measuring cup and then level off the top, because whenever you pack stuff in too densely, it can affect the amount of ingredients that you're adding. So basically, America just needs to switch to the metric system, but since we're not, just scoop and level your dry ingredients and it makes everything more accurate. Whisk the eggs and sugar until the mixture is pale and fluffy, and this should take about 3 to 4 minutes. This step is really important because that's what gives the cookies the crinkly top. Once you're done whisking the eggs and sugars, gradually add in the cooled melted chocolate as you're mixing. Continue mixing until the chocolate is fully incorporated, but don't overmix the batter. Switch to the paddle attachment of your stand mixer, or just continue mixing with your hand mixer. Or if you're lazy like me and you don't want to wash an extra thing, just fold in the dry ingredients by hand. Add all of the dry ingredients to the bowl and continue mixing until the batter is well combined. Once you're done folding in the dry ingredients, the batter should look like this. Grab those prepared baking sheets from earlier and scoop rounded balls of dough onto the sheets. Each baking sheet should have around 8 balls of dough, and each ball is 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter. Bake each tray one at a time for 12 to 14 minutes depending on how you like the texture of your cookie. Then when they're done, bang them against the counter a few times to make the tops more crinkly and to deflate the cookies. Don't forget to let the cookies cool a bit before you eat them so the tops can deflate and so all of the ingredients can set. Once you're done, your cookie should look like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!